Good morning, students. Welcome to the world of forest. Now, let's start a walkthrough into the forest and begin our exploration about its amazing facts. So, forest is an area with high density of trees, and it is one of the nature's wonder. And forests cover almost 31% of the surface on the earth. So forest is a habitat for not only wild animals, trees and plants, but also some of the rarest of rare animal, plant species and trees are found in the forest. And forests are rightly called as lungs of the earth. So why it is known as the green lungs of the earth means during photosynthesis, the greenhouse gas, that is carbon dioxide, is absorbed, preventing the global temperatures from rising, and oxygen is released, thereby renewing the oxygen supply for all life. So that's why forests are called the lungs of the earth. So children, 21st March is the International Day of Forest. The United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 21st March as the International Day of Forest in the year 2012. So the main aim of this is to raise awareness of the importance of all types of forests and trees outside the forest for the benefit of current and future generations. Now I am going to share some information about the nature's wonder Terminalia elliptica. So it is a tree. This tree is also called crocodile bark tree. The botanical name for this tree is Terminalia elliptica. The other names for this tree is Matti in Kannada language, Indian laurel. In Tamil it is known as Aruchunam, Karumarudu and Marudamaram. So these are all the other names given to this tree. So now let's see why it is called as crocodile bark tree. So the name is thus derived because the bark of the tree resembles the crocodile skin. So the bark of the tree is similar to the skin of the crocodile. And this tree is a native of South Indian deciduous forest. It also widely grown in Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand and Cambodia. So children, do you know that the crocodile bark tree, that is the Terminalia elliptica, is the state tree of Goa. The Indian laurel crocodile bark tree, however, has been Goa's state tree for close to 30 years now. So now let's see some of the special features of this tree. This is an indigenous forest tree, may not be seen or heard of on the regular, but as far as trees go, this particular one has a lot going for it. So this tree we have not heard much. The tree grows to a height of 30 meters tall and the trunk measures up to 1 meter in diameter. So the tree height is about 30 meters and the trunk diameter is 1 meter. Now let's see about the fruit of this tree. The fruit is ovoid. Ovoid means it resembles as an egg in shape, oval shape, and it is 3 centimeter long with 5 wings not extending beyond the fruit apex. So the fruit is somewhat oval in shape. So it is considered as one of the nature's wonder. Why? Because one of the main reason why it was chosen as the state tree of Goa was because the government wanted to focus attention on the ecological role played by the Matti tree that has the capacity to store water during the summer. So children, this tree stores the water during the summer season. So it is interesting to note that forest folk used to cut the matti tree and extract 1 to 2 liters of water. So forest folk means the people who live in the forest or near the forest areas. So they used to cut the matti tree and they will extract, means they will get the water for about 1 to 2 liters of water. And it is for the reason that matti tree is sometimes known as water making matti tree. So children, a survey conducted at Bandipur National Park. So Bandipur National Park is located at Mysore in Karnataka state. So it showed that a proportion of trees stores water. So this type of tree stores water, but the mechanism and the ecophysiological significance of this water storage is not known. So the reason behind the water storage of this particular species of trees is not known. So children, now let's see the uses of this tree. The bark. The bark resembles the skin of the crocodile. So that's why it is also known as crocodile bark tree. The bark of the matti tree is fire retardant. So it resists the fire, which makes it perfect for minor construction works like boat building, furniture, railroads, etc. And this bark is used medicinally against diarrhea. Then the leaves of this tree. The leaves are used as a food for silkworms, which produce the tussar silk, a form of commercially important wild silk. Then the fruit of this tree. So the bark and especially the fruit yield a chemical called pyrogalol and catechol to dye and tan leather. Next is the water, which comes oozing out from the bark when it is cut. So the water stored in the stem is often tapped and used as a source of potable water in the summer by the forest folks. So forest folks means what I told, the people who live in the forest or near the forest areas. The water has some medical properties to cure the stomach pain. So it has a medical property to cure the stomach pain. So children, however, in 2017, the state government of Goa has decided to include the coconut palm as tree in the Goa Daman and Dew Preservation of Trees Act 1984 to regulate felling of coconut trees under this act. So in 2017, the state government of Goa declared coconut tree as their state tree. So now this started confusion since there could be only one state tree. So, in order to differentiate the two, the coconut palm tree is considered as the Goa State Heritage Tree because of its place in the vast history of Goa. Then, the matti tree, that is the crocodile bark tree which we have seen today, is the Goa State Tree. So children, now let's see a short video related to matti tree. Children, I hope you are benefited with this new information related to nature's wonder tree, Terminalia elliptica, which is also called crocodile bark tree. So children, the best friend on earth of man is the tree. When we use the tree respectfully and economically, we have one of the greatest resources on the earth. So this is the famous quote of an American architect and interior designer, writer and educator, Frank Lloyd Wright. So children, plant a tree and add a new friend in your life. So conserve the nature by planting more trees. Thank you.